So hi, my name is Guillaume Borgomano. I work for Moment Factory and I'm the Innovation Creative Principal and Senior Multimedia Director over there. Well, I'm here at SIGGRAPH every year, so well, somehow SIGGRAPH has this thing like to attract a lot of different people with technological and artistic perspectives. So as every year I'm coming here to get inspired to find about new technologies, but also about new emergent arts. So this year I'm particularly interested into anything that is agentic, of course, with AI, and generally generative AI, because this is what we are researching about a lot with the innovation team I'm with at Moment Factory. Moment Factory is a multimedia studio based in Montreal. We specialize really into location-based entertainment, but also live shows and in general immersive entertainment. So yeah, I'm giving a talk with my colleague Conrad Tozier, and this is a talk about projection mapping and generative AI. And we've been searching about if generative AI could hit the scale of a projection mapping or an architectural projection mapping. This was a very interesting research because it started like 3 years ago. So we were following the evolution and the maturity of the technology with like generative models, and we've been building up a workflow that really help us in pre-production to take better decisions very early and carry a creative or technical intention through the whole production. So it's really not a time saver in production that we did, but this is a proof of concept that was proven to work into pre-production. And pre-production and preparation in general is very, very important. So we are very happy to share our findings at SIGGRAPH. Innovation trends this year, I expect to learn a bit more about or to see here. In art, a technical paper, I'm really pinpointing things that are about, immersive entertainment or location-based experiences, but it's pretty rare, unfortunately. But at the same time, it's pretty niche. So the thing I'm looking the most is like pre-viz, post-viz, and Gen AI viz in general, everything that helps with visualization and everything that is tied with Gaussian splatting. So really into checking about the Gaussian splats in general.